than being in healthy, clean water. If there's pollution in the water, it can get into the eggs. The slime can't protect them from that. Eggs that develop in polluted water develop into frogs with strange and sad deformities. Spotted eggs, eyes, and more.
Hey! There's something black and wriggling in the eggs over here.
Yes, this is the beginning of stage 2 of the frog's life cycle. The eggs are about to hatch. Just wait and watch while it happens.
Cut you.
One thing I can't stand is a messy laboratory. Yeah, we've got tadpoles. Stage 2 of the frog's life cycle has begun.
It's amazing that tadpoles are baby frogs. They just look like heads with tails.
Endadamma?
They all into what frog yet. Does my hair look green to you? Sorry, buddy. Yeah, we go there. These tadpoles have hungry. Within a week, the transformation begins. Next, they grow hind legs like this guy. Then the tail begins to be reabsorbed into the body, and tiny front legs sprout out. But then the tail is absorbed completely. The front legs grow, the body shape changes, and ta-da! A frog. So now this little frog is truly amphibious, living in the water and on land. He'll stay in the shape every year and bigger and bigger. And believe it or not, a bullfrog can live for 25 years. Pretty cool, huh, Eva? Eva?
Oh no! There are so many changes in frog development. Such precision timing and programming to integrate with DNA coding.
Wait, Eva, don't want to go. Oh, I love frogs.
നല്ല സുഖല്ലേ?
Wow, it's still sailing. Whoa, yes, whoa, running. No way, mine is. Ew, what is that stuff? Whatever it is not good. And it's heading
ഇങ്ങോട്ട്
to
നോക്ക്.
our pond.
മര്യാദയ്ക്ക്.
We've got to do something. Oh no! There's so much pollution. What are we gonna do? It's going to ruin the pond. How about we call the wildcats?
Hey, guys! Wildcats here.
What? How'd you get here so fast? Wait, we didn't even call you. Can you read our minds?
Oh, no, we were just hanging out frog side.
Oh.
What's going on?
There's some kind of pollution or something in the stream, and it's heading this way.
What? That's the biggest danger of frog survival. For all the frogs, at every stage of their life cycle. Especially all the little tadpoles growing inside the eggs.
Okay, I calibrated for all the stages of the frog's life cycle, but I should probably run through my program once more.
Little tadpole here called frog force. Come in, frog force. We need those frog powers big time.
And neutralize the pollution particles.
Hurry, Viva! The hose is overloading the filter again! It's gonna break again! I can't hold it much more!
Hang on!
It's working!
It worked! Frog water pond is saved!
Release the creatures.
Oh, this looks like a nice place for a blade wash! Bring it down!
Zach, stop! If you land here, you'll ruin the frog's habitat.
The only habitat that Zach cares about is Zach's nice shiny blade!
A pond full of wildlife is no place to dump your mess.
Yes, it is.
We can't let you do this, Zach.
Just get out of the way so I can get to my controls and bring her down!
Come on, think about the frogs. You like clean water to drink. They do too. Plus, they need clean water to live in.
Frog!
Yes, a frog.
A big frog!
Yeah, They can get big, but they're not really called big frogs. They're called bullfrogs. And, just let them go on living free and in the wild, in clean water.
Fine, fine. Whatever you say, just please let me get out of here now.
Okay, it's a deal. Wait, how do we know you're actually going to do it?
Here, take my master remote control and my invention notebook.
Okay. About anywhere in the world that has warm weather for part of the year and has water. There are over 3,000 different species of frogs in the world, and they all have the same basic